Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can install or download Discord application on your iPhone or iPad. Please subscribe to the channel, give me likes. Let's get started. For this, we need to go to the standard application on our iPhone or iPad, which is called Apple Store. After that, we need to write the word Discord in the search box. Then we need to find this application. After that, we press Get. We will need to confirm Apple ID, confirm Face ID or fingerprint, or you can enter a password. After that, we will download this app. We need to wait for 30 seconds or maybe a minute, depending on what kind of internet we have. After that, we go to the main page. We can see live that this download has started. Now it will load, and I'll show you how you can log into it. How you can log in to an existing account or you can re-register. Let's just wait about 5 seconds. The app is installed. Now we have this download. It opens, and here we can either log in to an existing account or register. Click Register, enter your phone number. Enter your email, click Next. Enter your nickname, log in, and register. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Bye-bye.